very welcome back to my tactic channel. Today I want to show you the Unifi G2 Start Kit Professional. Why is professional? First of all, you get a camera, the sensor with the camera. We haven't tested yet. I checked a number of reviews. It looks very appealing. You get a reinforced sensor, so you can use this for outdoor. You can use the NFC tag, you can use the NFC card, you can use a pin, you can use the phone to get in, take a picture at entry, and also it rings on your phone if someone pressing the doorbell. You can talk to them over the phone, even you're at home or you're in the office. What you get is you get the new version of the access hub, the new version of the reader, which is reinforced stainless steel, which I really like. You get two new NFC Unifi card, which is encrypted. It's a lot better than the basic Amazon NFCs. And you get a little PoE switch here because you have the PoE++ coming in, and it's power the entry, it's power the exit, power the camera on exit, and power camera in entry, which is a fantastic value. You have one cable, you're running one cable from a Unifi professional PoE++ switch, which can manage up to 8 ports, and we will make a video on that one as well. You have one cable and you have 4 devices on it. Actually, apologize, 5. 1 because the hub, the 2 sensors, 3, 2 cameras is 5. So it's a little PoE switch as well. I don't think you need to worry about port security on this one, because in port security you put, let's say you put that in switch port number 24, then you put the access hub as 24, and access hub won't talk to computers or any other device other than Unifi itself, and it's pair itself with the hub. So if someone smash it off, they put on a Cat 6, they won't be able to get into your network because they want to get to the hub. But the hub, if you put the access hub in the, for example, port security, and then you put the whole access hub, what we put that in a VLAN, let's say VLAN 100, and your network is on VLAN 10, they won't be able to reach straight to your other devices other than the access hub itself. Now back to the packaging. It's quite heavy and big, so I'm excited to see what's inside. So it have a little magnet on the front, you just hold it off. You have the user installation guide. You have the new access hub, which I really like. You have the new controller, with the camera. Wow. And mounting brackets underneath, and you have the new access hub. So access reader professional. You have the mounting for the gang box for mounting, for the camera version, gang box for the reader pro version, and the 2 NFCs which you can just tap. And what else we have here underneath? There's nothing on this side. Looks like there is nothing on this side. No, it's just the packaging. No, it's just the packaging. So the mounting, the game boxes. And we got a door controller, which is here the PoE in, entry, exit, 1 camera, 2 Unifi cameras. It's only work with Unifi. Unifi only work with Unifi, but it makes your life a lot easier because we now try to get access control in for about 2 years. We tried a couple of systems. They're very easy to, most of them very easy to hack, and it's very hard to install and control and maintain. And especially if you're running an SME or a business, the last thing you want to do is worry about IT all the time, because you have a business to manage. So what you want is a peace of mind, something like ours says. We just mount it, I program it, I set the door, let's say this is the main entry. I knew who will come in, when they will come in, so let's say Monday to Friday, and 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I make sure I will limit that the amount of people who will get access for this main door can come in from 8:30 if they arrive earlier till 5:30, Monday to Friday, no holidays, no weekends, and I have a peace of mind that the kit do the job. It's lock the door, it keep our assets, it keeps our values in safe. why I don't need to worry about who have keys and when they come in when I'm not here. So this is in a nutshell. What we will do in a different video, we will mount it, and I will show you how to mount it and how to commission. We've done 1 or 2 doors already with the base versions. They were easy, very easy to do. The first one we made a couple of mistakes, so I will show you what mistakes we made, how to avoid those mistakes. But I'm really so keen to mount this baby, because this is the job. This is the job. We have right now Hikvision door access control system, which is not my favorite. There's nothing wrong with them, but it's just not my favorite. It's you need a server, you need to maintain. With Unifi, what you have is you have a cloud key, or you have a controller. One of the Unifi controllers, they have 3 or 4 versions of them, which also can acting as the firewall, DHCP, DNS, and it gives you the insight of your IT. And also in our case, we changing all the cameras to Unifi as well, and we changing all the access control to Unifi as well. We change the firewalls, the switches, and it just gives you one portal, an easy portal, a straightforward portal to manage your IT, your firewall, your networking, your VLANs, your access control, the permissions, who can go where and what time, and what time they can, what time you can. If a new employee starts, they can get the NFC card or one of these tag straight away. If they leave, I don't need to chase them for a key to return the key. I don't need to worry about that, if they leave, that they come in or they take a copy. I don't need to change cards again and locks again, and just going through all the process we went through for years and years and years. All we have is you activate a new staff, you give them a card, you knew who is she, when she can come in. When she cannot come in, the door will deny the access if they want to. Let's say a brand new card. We haven't used that yet, so let's see if I try to come in with a brand new card, which would not assign to anyone.
Invalid card.
Invalid card. The same thing applies if the card is assigned to, let's say, door 1, the main door, but it's not assigned to a warehouse or the office, then it says no permission. So it's really great. It's really fast, efficient. It just takes off the headache of the IT. We ask quotations from companies to do the access control for 5 doors. The quotations we get is between 7,000 to 15,000 euro. The whole kit, if you do 5 doors, the whole kit costs you about 3,000 euro. You do it yourself, you put it up, but you have everything centralized, and you can focus on your business because you're not worried about access control, you're not worried about theft, you're not worried about the cameras. The whole thing is just work. The other problem we had with the other brands, not Unifi, with other brands, and that's the other reason we're changing is they wasn't reliable, and when we really needed the footage most, we just couldn't find it, and it was partially recording, and we didn't realize until we were desperately need the footage of an event, and that give us a thought to change door to Unifi, because it's Unifi. You can check it from your phone. You don't need to come into the office. You don't need the screen to go to the NVR or the DVR or all those craps which have one hard drive, and the hard drive fits, everything is gone. You come into the office, with the Unifi, you just put in your phone, pull up the access or the Unifi Protect for the cameras, and then you can see straight away each camera what's happening, what was the event, what was happened. And the great thing with the Unifi MVR is that you can put up up to 7 hard drive in them, so they have the RAID protection. So if one hard drive fails, the rest is not affected, which is a great thing. Is like for servers we use here, we switch from the USBs to NASs, which have the RAID protection. So the hard drive or 2 hard drive fails, they will not lose the whole data, which is precious, which is one of the most valuable thing for our business is the data and the information about the customers. So that's it for today. What we will do in the next video, we will mount this, and probably on the same video or a following video we show you how to commission, how to set up profiles, how to set up employees, what to do and how to do it. But it's Unifi is just it's a great job. Unifi is just a great job. If you're an SME, if you're running a business, you don't want headaches, you don't want to pay a third party for installation and then maintenance and call them out when you have a new employee and when you have an employee leaving. Unifi is the way to go. It just solve your IT once and for all. Once you're sucked into Unifi, you don't want anything else because you see the quality. Look, there is a premium there. It costs a slightly more than if you buying like this Amazon access control kit, which can be hacked by a 4-year-old. but there's a premium there. It's a premium product. There's a great support. There's a great community. And once you have Unifi in your business, you don't need to worry about IT again. That's what I can tell you. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, do a thumbs down. That's okay. Just let me know why. If you have any comments, leave that in the comments below. And if you have any question, put that in the comments. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.